Hello Leeds, Rob here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2016 Triumph Street Triple R, which has only 27 miles on it. The bike we brought from States, it's almost new. The price is 11,688. This is an R model. You were asking for R or S model, so we don't have an S, but this is an R model. And the bike itself is in excellent condition. You know, the mileage is nothing on it, so it's in decent condition, and it's available. If you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Here's the VIN number if you need it for some reason to check insurance. I'm gonna find the sticker because the lanes are okay. Here we go. So you can check your insurance codes as well. Thank you.